Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Blogs by FK. Subscribe to my channel and also like and click the notification button for you to get notifications every time I post.
If I die right now, wrap me in money. I promise my niggas I get the cash right. Oh, yeah. Baby, you love me like it's the last time. Yeah. Let's make love like it's the last time. Oh, yeah. I told my niggas let's get money. Flex to them niggas like that they're funny. Yeah. Now she acting like she won't.
Anyway, today I will be giving a review on Wiggins hair. It came in this red satin bag. It says once meet, never forget. I'm guessing they say once you meet them, you ain't never gonna forget them. Okay? It came with this wig cap. I don't know what this is necessarily because it has a Velcro strap, but it's velvet material with this in the middle. I don't know if it's like a edge type of scarf. This other headband, this animal print headband, I probably could wear this. I see myself wearing this. And this headband here, which is cute as well. I think this is like a summer type of look. Lashes and a edge brush, the comb at the end. This is dope. And it says Wiggins hair. So let's take a look at the hair. Open it up. It comes in this long description. So first, I like how they described what I ordered. Most of these places you order from, you look and they just have your hair in a bag, so you don't know what is it like. You know, you just have to trust what they send you. But this says here HD lace, so I ordered HD lace because I heard it's better for darker skin tones like mine. It blends in with your skin better. Cap size is a small. I have a small head, so I was like, you know, I did order them to come with adjustable straps as well, so it could fit nice and tight. Also, hair density was 200. I want it to be nice and full. I'm gonna have it be cut blunt, like a long blunt, so I want it to be nice and full. I don't want frivolous ends. It is a 20-inch. Also, it's a 6x6. 6x6 would be from a little bigger than a regular closure, but it's a closure wig from here to here. And then I think it goes back 6 as well, I believe. So this is the hair. It's nice and silky. You know, it has some body to it. I think the hairline was supposed to come out pre-plucked, so you could tell it is pre-plucked. Look at the part. I love this hair. It has some body to it. Look. Woo! Woo! Can't wait to put this on. I'm gonna try on the wig so you guys can get an idea. That looks good. Look. Yes, this is, oh, and the hair feels good, y'all. It definitely feels nice. It's not brittle. It's nice and full. You know, you could part it. This could be a nice little side part. And again, this is Wiggins hair. I'm gonna be leaving the description below so you guys could order. Tell them I sent you. This is an honest review too. I bought this hair with my own coin, okay? No, I love the way this hair feels, honestly. And this is straight, by the way. Wow, I love it already. You know, this is just, you know, my first time wearing it, but just the feel, you know, I've had orders from a few companies before. I just love how this straight feels. Wow, and it's plucked. Look at the baby hairs. You know, when you go like this, that's how you know the hair got bounced. Wow, I may not even want them to cut this, to be quite honest with you. I'm already feeling myself, but I ain't put this on yet. I will be giving another review when I put this hair on and let you guys know how it's keeping up. But it is nice hair. It doesn't have like a weird smell. On the inside, it has combs on the side, and then on the bottom, and then this adjustable strap. But This is the inside. And this is, you see, 6 by 6. 6 here by 6. So that's what they mean by 6 by 6. I do plan on dyeing it a dark brown to match the fall look, fall colors. I will give another review. This was initially just a unboxing review, so please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and have a good one.